Right, in a previous video we looked at how to work out the median class, but we're going to use a graph to work out the median far more accurately. Now I've still got this table from last time if you've seen that, and you're going to have to actually add on another row or column, right, called the cumulative frequency. Now cumulative literally means add up as you go along. So I'm just going to add this in here, and there we go. So up to this point, I've got 2 bits of data. So up to there, there's 2 bits of data. Up to there, I've got 7. Up to there, I've got 16. Up to there, 26. And up to there, I've got 30. And I knew they added up to 30 from before. Now, I'm going to be plotting these values onto this graph. All right, so before that, I've got 0 bits of data. So there we go. So I'm going to put a cross there first of all. Now, what's halfway between the groups? Well, it's actually 10.5. So ever so slightly, I'm going to try and show you. It's a bit difficult to show you on this. You're going to plot up to 10.5. Now, up to there, again, 20.5. So we got 7 there. So 20.5, just a tiny bit above 20. And I'm going to put a cross there. 30.5, 16. So 30.5 and 16 would be about there. And 40.5 and 26, so just a tiny bit above 40, and 26, there we go. And then up to 50 is the top there, and that's 30. Now, what you tend to find with these sorts of graphs actually is they're a sort of stretched out S shape. So that's the sort of thing you should be looking at. A common mistake is to just plot the frequency. If your graph starts going back down again, you've gone wrong. Okay, so they always go up. They continue to go up. All right, so don't have anything going back down to the x-axis. Now, from that point, we need to go halfway up here. So halfway is there. I read across, I draw a line across, and then read down, which is just before 30. It's between 29 and 30. It's quite difficult to read it accurately. In an exam, you'd have graph paper to do this. So between 29 and 30, so I'm going to put, I don't know, 29.5. I think the actual answer is 29.9. So actually, our graph's pretty close, isn't it? But just be aware to plot at the top of the group. It's slap bang between 10 and 11, so I plotted 10.5 there. And we plot this. My graph is always heading upwards. It never comes back down again.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.